Hey you guys, my workout today is focusing on our glutes and our legs. This is an assisted workout, meaning you need a wall or a chair. I just happen to be in this beautiful location, so I'm going to be using a rock. As we're holding on to something, you can really focus on your core, engage that core, and your posture. We really want strong posture, so lengthen and really extend. Before you do this workout, go check out my warm-up. Have a good workout. Okay, we're lifting out and squeeze. Out, out, squeeze. Out, out, squeeze. One more. Now hold it, pulse it. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last set. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. And out, out, squeeze. Make sure that core is engaged and we're lengthening up. Strong posture. One more. Pulse it out. Really squeeze that. Last set. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift me up and out. In, out. Using that core to lift that knee. Hold it out, pulse it up. We're really going to feel it in that top part of our glute there. Breathe through that burn. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee and out. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it out, pulse it up. Engage that core. Last set. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Turn around. And split lunge. Here we go. 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here. And 1. Up that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find your balance. Here we go. Down. Up. 2 and 3, 4, strong posture, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Relax. Okay, heels up. We're gonna go down, up, squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, slight bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, really use that squeeze, push through that band, 5, 6, 7, 8, lift up, down, up, really push that knee out. 2 more. Last one. Hold it up. Push that knee back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. We're going to switch legs. Here we go. Up, down. Pulse it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. Last set. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Wow, I really felt that burn today. I hope you guys did too. Drop me a comment and let me know if you did feel that burn. And I'd love to know what workouts you want and if you want some more workouts outside. Subscribe. See you next time.